Alright folks, we back live with another one. Today I wanted to make a quick video, a sawmilling type of video, and I really wanted to answer the question that I get a lot, is how far gone is too far gone when it comes to a log. Now this pile of logs I'm sitting on, I'll show you in just a second. They've been down for about 21 months. I believe April of 2020, a tornado came through here. I believe it was in April, it may have been May. But we had a bad storm, tornadoes came through, and a real good friend of our family, these pine trees were in his yard, and there was a bunch of them, and they all come down. So he had a track hoe over there piling them up, burning them, and he called us. He said, look, if y'all want some logs, come get them. And there was, I don't know, there were probably 40 logs. We cut them anywhere from 8 to 16 foot, depending on the knots and stuff. Anyway, let's answer the question. Is 22 months, 21 months-ish, is that too long? For the first 6 months or so, they were laying flat on the ground, and ever since then, they've been up. You know, we laid 2 logs like this and laid all the logs kind of up off the ground, about 6 to 8 inches off the ground. So we'll dig around in them and see if are they still good, or are they rotten, or what. Here they are. Some of them look pretty rough. All the bark has slipped off of most of them, and the bark that's still on there, I mean, it's not hooked by anything. And this is only really what concerns me the most, is this rot right here. I don't know if it's a fungus or what getting on them, but anyway, we're fixing to peel into one of them. I don't know which one should I get. I need some 8-foot 2x4s. That log right there is 8 foot long, and it is a big one. It's probably up 26, 28 inches, maybe more. Let me go get the tape measure, see how long it is. All right, let's see what we got. 27.5 plus some. Yep, we're gonna saw this one up. This should make us a bunch of 2x4s.
It ain't got no gas in it.
If y'all are still here, do me a big old favor and click that like button. It helps me out a whole lot. Thanks. her squared up, we ended up with a 19 this way and 20 inches this way. And I don't have the best of news. It appears to be really, really soft, even down. Now I took off a lot more than I normally would have. I normally would have, you know, eased down into it and salvaged what I could, but I knew it was going to be soft, at least out toward the bark. But I mean, this ain't looking good. Well, that pretty much sums it up. 2 years is too long to lay on the ground. I don't know. I'm not gonna let it go to waste. I'm gonna cut it up and get some 2x4s out of it. Probably gonna cut them a true 2 by true 4-inch boards, and I wouldn't use them for anything that's ever gonna be used outside. But if you're building shelves or something in a shop, this will work out fine for that. You know, just storage shelves in the corner of an old building or something. Well, I guess that about wraps it up. I appreciate y'all if you made it this far. Thank you again for watching. I'll see y'all on the next one.